Ba't nandito ka?
Now let's have the homecoming of heroes. Let's give it up for the JRU cheerleading squad box 85.
Hindi ka na ito dumating. Pabalitin lang sa gitna para mapalagay.
Hindi pa naman nila maglalaro bukas ano, di ba? Ako nga, mahulog pa ako. Tawanin ako din siya. Bon, bakit ka?
Once again, our JRU cheerleading squad box 85. And now, our alumni players. Let's give it up for J.R. Pero Santos and Michael Mabula.
Kabit-kabit man lang. Senior yan, di ba?
And now, there you have it, our JRU alumni athletes. Ladies and gentlemen, may I request everyone that you please stand for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem. And now for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem. Ladies and gentlemen, you may have a seat. And now, to give us his inspirational and special message, let us give him a big hand of applause. The Athletics Director, Mr. Jose Guy Supan.
Good afternoon and welcome to the Pep Rally 2024. You know what makes it special? This is the centennial year of the NCAA. So you met our athletes, 400 strong of them will compete and try to be the best versions of themselves this coming season 100 of the NCAA. I'd like to congratulate the organizers for its wonderful theme this year. It's the homecoming of heroes. The special meaning behind it is we are paying homage to the great Brazilian athletes who were ahead of us, who were here before us. Recently, we have 2 athletes making waves in the track and field scene. And alam mo naman, si Frederick Ramirez won medals in the recent concluded. There's Frederick, who recently won the SEA Games. Years ago, meron din tayo na atleta o dating mo who competed in 4 SEA Games already, and he won 2 silver medals and 2 bronze medals, 2 coming of heroes. Also recently, kaya wala na yun, they had 2 students. Palipat pa lang ng Pilipinas Jake Erasmo and Desiree Kapua, who recently won in the world